Hi guys! So, nasa floating market na po tayo ngayon. Yan. Hindi pa pala floating market but we are trying or riding the traditional transportation system of Thailand. Yan! It is so exciting!
Ligo, no?
Sit!
Okay, maligo. Para kami sa Malaysia.
This is fresh coconut syrup. Fresh coconut syrup.
Maluod ba ka? Maluod ba ka?
Kuratan na po. Naghanap mangga, oy. Like everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's mangga. Mangga. Hinog ka na ba? Oo. We're already in the highway of the floating market, guys. And this is so awesome. Those are familiar faces. Ay! This is like a dream come true. Look at that! Welcome to floating market, guys. So this is Walay barato ate.
Kita na tayo. Bato din mapalit tayo dito kay Marmo.
Wow. So this is the floating market that I saw. Mga unta dig mango sticky rice. Yay! Trying out mango sticky rice here in floating market. Trying out mango sticky rice here at floating market.
Lami?
Lami kayo.
Magagana.
Yummy.
Is that a video?
Yep. Hey. Okay. All right. Wow.
Galing ni Muri ni.
Dunay mo rin.
Hindi ka mag
Wow. Mangga. Nanawag.
Ano na sila manawag? Parang Malaysia kilo.
Nag-uunahan na po ang aming mga bangka papunta sa endpoint. This is like, oh my god. This is amazing, guys. This is so amazing. Like, and we are so back sa starting point of this tour. We just arrived.
Finally back here.
And we're happy. Our hearts are happy.
I don't know where, but
I love it. We're just so happy.